Hi everybody, it's your girl Kim and I'm back again with another video. I'm back, baby. I'm back. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, thumbs up the videos, leave comments, do all the things that I normally say do in the videos. Please. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one? Or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. I truly appreciate it. Also, I want to give a big shout out to all the people that's watching all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat. If you are doing and watching all of those things, you are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. I got a haul. This is the candle sale, the buy two get two. I finally got my candles. Finally got them. Hopefully nothing is broke, but let me do a thumbnail real quick. This was the buy two get two. My order came a couple of days ago and I'm just now getting to it, so let's get it. Let's open up this box so I can actually burn some of this stuff, as well as y'all do know, right now, the time that I'm doing this video, they're having a $10 off. No, it ain't even a $10 off. It's a $15.95 sale, so all of the candles is $15.95. Even the ones with the glass lids, the ones that's $27.50, those is $15.95. And if you have a coupon, you're really saving. Oh, look at that. They packaged it really good. And my stuff came from a different warehouse, so I'm really happy about that. Okay, the first candle I got is Cookies with Santa. Wow, look at the packaging. So cute. It's a wrap around. It goes all the way around, and the jar is actually gray. The actual picture, like the sticker, is the sticker? Oh no, I guess the jar, I guess the whole wraparound is gray. I thought it was like a gray glass with a clear sticker, and then they just put the little decal, the picture on it. But the wraparound is actually gray with the picture. The scent notes is fresh cinnamon, brown sugar, and a drop of vanilla. So that's what this is. Brown sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla. Let's smell it. I thought this was going to be more of like a cookie candle, but it doesn't seem like it has any of those, like the cookie dough part. It doesn't have that. It just has the cinnamon, the sugar, and the vanilla. So let's get it. Wow, this is actually really good. I do get that vanilla, but it's more on that back part. Yeah, this is nice. It's not like super sweet like Mary Cookie, but this one is nice. Cinnamon sugar pecan. Cinnamon sugar pecan. As you see, it's just a plain jar. So yeah, nothing special about this label at all. It do have the new lid on it. Did this one have the new lid? No, this one has the old lid, whereas this one has that new low profile lid, as you do see. And this one is Bath and Body Works. No, White Barn and White Barn. Okay. So, but the lids is different. The lid says Bath and Body Works. This one says White Barn. So maybe all of the White Barn candles have this low profile lid, and the Bath and Body Works have the old lids. I'm just assuming. I don't know. I'm just guessing. So let's get to the scent notes. The scent notes is cinnamon sugar, roasted pecans, and brown sugar. Wow. These two candles is almost similar. Both of them have the cinnamon. Both of them have the brown sugar. The difference is this one just has those roasted pecans. And this one has the vanilla. Wow. Almost the same candle. That's crazy. So let's see if that pecan note makes a really big difference. Like I said, let's give it a smell. You do get that roasted pecans, but it seems light. Both of these candles seem kind of light. I can smell this one more than I can smell this one, which is crazy. Ice cranberry scone. Again, plain low profile lid. Let's see the scent notes. The scent note is fresh cranberry, brown sugar, and vanilla. What in the world? All of these candles got the same stuff. It's just one different note. What? Well, actually, no. This one has fresh cranberry, but it still has that brown sugar. Now I done got 3 candles so far with brown sugar in it. That is crazy. And this one has the vanilla. That's crazy. That's crazy. This one has the brown sugar and vanilla. Like this one, the different note is this one has cinnamon. The different note is this one has cranberry. That is crazy. Wow. Okay, white jar with just a sticker on the front. Let's smell it. I do get the cranberries and the vanilla. Yeah. And I think that brown sugar is just the sweetness of it. But this is crazy how all of these candles have almost the same notes. Only difference is just one note in them. That's super crazy to me. That is super crazy to me. Wow. Moving along. Okay, this is another one in that same collection, as y'all do see. The collection with this little, well, this little plain label is. Let's see. This is Winter Cabin. Now this one should be completely different. Okay, let's see. Winter Air, Black Pepper, Warm Amber, and Cedar. Again, gray jar with a sticker on the front. Same lid, low profile lid. Let's give it a sniff. This is cologne. This smells very masculine. But it smelled like something I smelled before. It smelled like a different candle. I don't know. I've smelled this candle before. This smells similar to something, and I can't put my hand on it. Because it has that freshness. It has that fresh, and I guess that's that winter air. Plus the cedar. This smells so familiar. But I don't know. I can't put my finger on it. Oh yeah, I got 2 of them. This one smells a little weird. Okay, we're gonna come back to this one. Here's the next one, which is Bright Christmas Morning. So cute. Look at the lid. That lid is so pretty. It looked like a Christmas. Oh no, it's not a Christmas. It's reindeers. Oh wow. It's reindeers, y'all. Can you see that? Wow, that is so cute. Okay, Christmas Morning. Christmas Morning is ripe red berries, blood orange, and crisp apples. Or crisp apple. So let's give it a sniff. Like I said, this is just a wraparound with the gold picture. It's actually really cute. This is good. This smells very much like orange, like citrus, like the sweet tarts almost. What is the notes? Yes, that blood orange is most definitely there. Blood orange. I really don't get the apple. The first thing I smelled was more of citrus, orange. This is actually good. I think I like this one. I really like this. I think I got 2. Yes, I did. I grabbed 2 of this one because I had a feeling I would like it. Yeah, I really get the orange in this. It almost smells like fruit punch almost to me. You know, that red or that blood orange note. And then the crisp from the apple. Yeah, I like it. And then the last one is one I already have, Under the Christmas Tree. This is actually really, really good. I bought it last year and I think I only bought one because, as y'all do know, when Christmas time comes, Bath and Body Works release a lot of candles. So I just got one and I never ever got another one. I really, really like this candle. That's something that I was like, I played myself not getting another one. So I'm super happy that they returned, that the candle returned. Fir Balsam, Juniper Berry, and Vanilla Eggnog and Sage. This is good. It's creamy, it's fresh, it's more like evergreen. It's so good and it's unique. And I just absolutely love that eggnog in this. Yes, this is like, when I smell it, it makes me think of like a real Christmas tree and you're just sitting and you're drinking eggnog. It's creamy, it's green, or it has that green tree note. So good. And it has that same lid with the reindeers. This is good. I really like this. This is, for me, this is Christmas. This is good. This is so good. So good. So I think out of all of these, I'm not gonna count this one because I actually already own this one, so I already know this is good. So out of all of the new candles that I got, I think my top pick has to be this Bright Christmas Morning. I actually really love how bright and how you get that citrus note. I love that. Yeah, I really like that. Hopefully this one throw good. I hope it throw good because it's really, really nice. After that one has to be, I really like this one too. I do get that cinnamon and that, it actually kind of do smell like a cookie when you really think about it. But to me, this is good. It's not as sweet as Merry Cookie. It's almost, I want to say a sugar cookie, but to me, it's almost, and this might sound crazy to y'all, but to me, when I think of this and I smell it, to me, it's almost like smelling, like when you're eating cookies and drinking milk, if that makes sense. Good. I really, really like this. I really like this one. Yes, this one, this cookies with Santa is my number 2 pick. Yes, so those are my top 2. I do get cranberries in this one. Not really like blueberry pie, but kind of sort of like blueberry pie. But blueberry pie, even though this is cranberry, but blueberry pie is, you get that crust note. In this, you don't really get that crust note. You get something that's kind of similar to a crust note. And it could just be the crumble. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the brown sugar. Maybe it's just the I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but I am getting more of like I don't know. This is good too, y'all. This is good too. I like them. I like all of them. So we're just gonna leave it at my top 2. My top 2 is the Bright Christmas Morning and Cookies with Santa. Is my top 2, but I do like them all. I'm satisfied with everything I bought, even the cabin, even the winter cabin, even though it's more of a masculine scent, I still like it. I cannot put my finger on what this candle smells like. I don't know, but something in it is so familiar to me. So yeah, yeah, leave in the comments, let me know what did you buy on the buy two get two. Leave that down in the comment area. Also, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, and follow your girl on Instagram. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right.